Hello everyone, how are you all? Today we are going to learn least common multiple, which is also called lowest common multiple or LCM. So here you can see it is written here least common multiple. Okay. So first of all we will find the multiples of the given number. For example, here given numbers are 2 and 3. So first of all we will find the multiples of 2. So multiples of 2 are, we will find few multiples of 2. So these are 2, 4, 6, 10, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28 and 30 and so on. So in this way we will write the multiples of 2, as you have learned earlier how to find the multiples. Okay, now we will find the multiples of 3, which are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30 and so on. So you know multiples are infinite. So here we will write the multiples up to one same number when any, for example here it is 30 and 30 in both. Okay, now we will find the common multiples of 2 and 3. So common multiples of 2 and 3 are, here we can see it is 6, 6, then 12, then 18 and then 24 and then 30. So in this way we will find all the common multiples, which are 6, 12, 18, 24 and 30. Now we can see which is the least from all of these, or which is the lowest number or the smallest number from this list. This one. So smallest is 6 here. So least common multiple or LCM is 6. So least common multiple of 2 and 3 is 6. In this way we can find all the least common multiples or LCM of all the given numbers. So all of you, I have given you the numbers to find the LCM. So start doing. Thank you.